Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! For today's recipe, I will be making Filipino-style sandwich bread from leftover roasted chicken. Let's start by mixing all the dry ingredients, the shredded roasted chicken without the skin, the chopped blanched carrots, and the chopped stalk of celery. Then season with salt, pepper, and the sugar, then the sweet pickle relish, then mix good. Then add the mayonnaise. The mayonnaise will have to bind all the ingredients and to make the sandwich bread tastier. And to make this sandwich bread Filipino style, I added sweetened condensed milk. Filipinos love sweet flavors. Then I taste the sandwich bread and it's a little salty to me, so I added sugar and sweetened condensed milk to balance the flavors. Here's our Filipino style chicken sandwich bread. Yummy! Let's make a sandwich. This is for demo purpose only. It is best to put first the sandwich in the fridge or refrigerator to set all the flavors, then use the next day. Here's my Filipino chicken sandwich with the spread we made. Yummy! Hello Kayami! Okay, let me taste. It's creamy, cheesy. If you like this video, Please don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Take care and bye.